Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal, ra, za, sin, shin, swad, dhad, ta, dha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ha, lam alif, hamza, ya. Wassalam. Alif fatha a, ba fatha ba, ta fatha ta, tha fatha tha, jim fatha ja, ha fatha ha, kha fatha kha, dal fatha da, dhal fatha dha, ra fatha ra, za fatha za, sin fatha sa, shin fatha sha, swad fatha swa, dhad fatha dha, ta fatha ta, dha fatha dha, ain fatha a, gain fatha ga, fa fatha fa, qaf fatha qa, kaf fatha ka, lam fatha la, mim fatha ma, nun fatha na, waw fatha wa, ha fatha ha, lam alif fatha la, hamza fatha a, ya fatha ya. Wassalam.